God has a generic syntax, okay? He gives us certain laws of logic and of physics, terminal syntax, that are generic. But because they're generic, they're not complete. They can't determine particular things. They're too generic for that. Okay, so basically you've got to involve semantic information. We are the semantic operators that provide that kind of information, thereby completing God's causal process. Okay, he takes care of the generic, the global level of that. But he gives us the freedom then to supply the semantic information which parameterizes the actual resolution of these causal processes that we see going on around us. That's what John Wheeler called observer creation, and it's what von Neumann called consciousness dependence on the part of quantum mechanics. So, it all comes that, we go from metaphysics into quantum physics and from quantum physics into classical physics. It's all very well connected.